With 70-odd days to go, we are really stuck in the implementation phase, or not stuck. We are looking, as things stand at the moment, and as we talk to our Japanese partners and friends, we are moving full ahead. There has been a small extension of the emergency situation, but we continue to plan for full games, and that's the way it has to be, and that's the only way it can be for us. And everything is telling us, from the test events to the international events, that the games can go ahead and will go ahead. But we are fully concentrated now in this last implementation phase of delivering excellent games, which really will bring the world together, which really will mark a moment, I think, and something that we're all looking forward to. There are a lot of sporting events going on around the world now, and I think this one will be the kind of the real tentpole moment that will bring the world together. Thanks, Carlos. Well, I mean, public opinion and polling does change quite radically, and in these current circumstances, I think you will see swings. It was certainly a swing from 8 years ago when Tokyo was chosen, and we know that the games then were incredibly popular, and the Japanese people were really keen to host those games. Yes, there will be ups and downs, and we understand the kind of problems that they're seeing there that will affect public opinion. But I think in the end, what we have to do is take account of public opinion, but over a longer term, and try to see what the people will want. And I think, as I said to an earlier question, when the games happen, and when the Japanese people can be the proud hosts of an event which really will be, it's an overused word, but really will be an historic moment, bringing the world together after this terrible moment. I think I'm very confident that we will see public opinion hugely in favour of the games. So, of course, we pay attention to these things, and of course we must do. But I think we need to keep, now with 78 days to go, we need to keep our eyes very much on what will eventually be, I think, a key moment for the world and for the Japanese people, who will be very proud to have been able to host it, I think. We're working flat out to try to help as many athletes who wish to be vaccinated. What I can tell you, I can't put an exact figure on it, but what I can tell you is that we estimate that a large majority of those in the Olympic Village will be vaccinated. And I think that's a very clear message also for the Japanese people, that they will know that not just the athletes, but all those entourage support people who have to be in the village too, we think we know a large proportion will be vaccinated. I won't give you a figure, but it's a large and growing number.